Dealerships today are losing too many qualified leads because they can't respond instantly or consistently across channels.
How you follow up with 100% of the customers 100% of the time? AI agents, that's the answer. So we're really excited about the future. I tried reaching out to these various internet and AI companies, and they were all using like the same wholesale company to provide AI agents. And I wanted something that was different. I wanted something that was unique. And we went to the guys at Spyne and said, hey, can you build an AI agent for us? And they took the challenge, and all of a sudden,
There's VINI. When you see VINI, she's fantastic.
Hi, this is VINI, your dealership's 24/7 AI agent. When someone is shopping for a car or looking for a service, I'm there. On the phone, SMS, email, on the website, answering instantly. I qualify every lead in seconds, uncover their buying intent, and move them forward without waiting. Whether it's midnight or Monday morning, I never let a single opportunity slip, generating a pipeline of over 500,000 monthly, helping close twice as many sales and achieving a 40% higher utilization in the service lane, without adding the headcount, of course. I connect to your DMS and CRM, identifying hidden opportunities. I reach out and follow up, booking 1 out of 5 cold leads, turning interest into appointments and conversations into revenue. Did I mention I execute custom workflows? Recalls, lease renewals, certified pre-owned offers, service specials. Whatever matters most to your dealership, I execute it consistently. Hear me handle a customer call. Hey, Paul, thank you for calling Honda. I am Emily Carter. How can I help you today?
Wait, so this is actually a person? This is not like a machine? Because you sound like a person.
I appreciate the compliment, Paul. I'm actually an AI assistant designed to sound natural.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
And the best part? I adapt to you. Your playbook, your tone, your voice, your use cases. Hey, this is Mia from Neck Motors.
HI, this is Donnie calling from ABC Motors.
Hello, this is Mark, your service advisor from Cocoon Motors.
The world is moving towards AI-first customer experiences. Spyne is leading that shift for thousands of dealerships globally.